Like I said last time, I have to make this bush, but I will make it from brass. The original one is from brass or bronze. This is how it looks, an original bush for the oil pump gear. You see where is the wire, is the lubrication hole for the axle of the gear, for this axle here. As you can see at this bush on other engine, the bush is taller than the seat here, and at this engine, as you can see, the gear has touched the engine, and we see here some scratches. So I have to make the bush to be taller than the engine here. Also, in time, if you don't change the oil, it can make some deposit here in this channel, and the problem is that this deposit, it may cover the lubrication hole. You see the dirt. So always change the oil. After all, it is not an expensive oil for this engine. Change it every year, or at maximum 3000 kilometers if you have a good oil, and you will not have this problem that we have here. This is how it's spinning this gear when you have a good bush. Very smooth, it's not touching everything. You see, not touching here. I will make the bush with a 24mm long, 14mm here in interior, and I will make two stages here. The first stage will be wider, and it will have 10mm. That means I will have 1.5mm above the seat of the engine. It's starting to look like a bush. I have made a hole, but I have to refinish with a bore shank. Made a mark where I have to cut the bush, and after that I have to make the whole lubrication here. I have the raw bush, it's not finished, but this is the form. This is the old one. As I said before, I have made this in two stages. This way it will not drop in the engine if there are any forces to push the bush inside. I have to make the inner diameter because it's not entering now, and after that I'll have to make the hole, this lubrication hole. The bush is almost ready. The gear is starting to enter. I just have to pass one more time, or maybe two times, with this reamer, and it will be okay. and now it is okay. It is very smooth. I have spent a lot of time in order to do this bush, because as a turner I'm a beginner. For a professional turner, this bush, it will be an easy job. I have made also the whole lubrication for the bush. It is made at the same distance at this one, and now we are ready to assemble the bush. As you can see, it is very smooth, and we have gained also a good advantage. As you can see, this is the seat of the gear, and this seat, it was working here on this surface. Now we have a bigger seat here, and that means that the gear, it will work better in this area, because it will have a better support. Now I have to press the bush inside the engine. I will hit the engine here in this area. I have a tool which it will help to press the bush without making damage here. After the engine has cooled down, now we can see the bush inside assembled. We have the edge inside above the engine. You see the edge of the bush, it is above the engine. That means the gear of the oil pump will not touch the engine here as he did before, and you can see there are some scratches. They are not from casting. Also, we have the lubrication hole in position. We can see how the oil is dripping through the hole. You see, this is oil here. This is the way how the axle of the oil pump gear, you see the oil dripping. This is the lubrication of the oil pump gear. So we need good bush, clean engine, no dirt here. This is the gear above in the engine. We have the bush here on the face of the engine, that is good. Also, I have to check the axial play, because here we need a little axial play between the oil pump gear and the cover. It is okay, we have axial play. We can turn easily the gear of the oil pump, you see, with the hand. In order to have a good axial play here, I have rectified this cover here on the seat. It was also damaged, and because I have made the bush a little taller than before, we did not have the axial play. But by rectifying this part here, I have made the axial play. I think I have a 1/10 of millimeter, which is very good, because with the axial play we are sure we will have here lubrication. If we don't have axial play, the oil does not enter here between the gear and the bush, and will have friction and will damage the parts, the bush and also the gear of the oil pump. And now this part of the repair is ready.